Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing how to start a business with just $100 and zero experience. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a lot of money or prior experience to start a business. In this video, we'll be sharing 4 top ideas to help you get started. The first idea we recommend is dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where the store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer purchases an item from the store buys the product from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping costs because the supplier takes care of that. Plus, you can create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, list products for sale, and promote them on social media. The initial cost of setting up a store can be as low as $30, and you can start with a small number of products, such as phone cases, jewelry, or clothing. To get started with dropshipping, you'll need to find a reliable supplier who offers quality products at a reasonable price. You can find suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or Overload, or you can use a directory like SaleWho. Once you've found a supplier, you'll need to create a website, choose the products you want to sell, and start promoting your store on social media or through paid advertising. The second idea we recommend is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable about a specific subject, you can offer tutoring services online. You can use platforms like Zoom or Skype to connect with students and create lesson plans. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, and you don't need a degree or certification to get started. To get started with online tutoring, you'll need to identify your area of expertise and create a lesson plan. You can create a website or use a tutoring platform like Chegg or Wyzant to find students. You can also promote your services on social media or through paid advertising. One of the advantages of online tutoring is that you can work with students from all over the world, which means you can work at any time of day or night. Plus, you don't need to worry about overhead costs like rent or utilities because you can work from home. The third idea we recommend is pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you can offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker in your local area. This can be a great way to start a business with little money up front. All you need is a love for pets, some basic knowledge of pet care, and a way to advertise your services. You can start by offering your services to friends and family members and ask them to spread the word. You can also advertise your services on local community forums or social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. When it comes to pricing, you can charge by the hour or by the day. The average rate for dog walking is around $15 to $25 per hour, while pet sitting can range from $30 to $50 per day. This can vary depending on your location and the services you offer. One of the advantages of pet sitting or dog walking is that you can set your own schedule and work around other commitments. You can also choose to specialize in a specific type of pet, such as dogs or cats, or offer a wider range of services, such as pet grooming or training. As you build up your business, you can also consider expanding your services to include overnight care or boarding. The fourth idea we recommend is lawn care services. If you enjoy working outdoors, you can offer lawn care services to homeowners in your area. You can offer services such as mowing, trimming, and leaf blowing. You can start with basic equipment, such as a lawnmower, a trimmer, and a leaf blower. You can promote your services by creating flyers and posting them in your neighborhood. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per job, depending on the size of the lawn. And there you have it, 4 top ideas for starting a business with just $100 and zero experience. Remember, starting a business is all about taking action and finding what works for you. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, there's no reason why you can't succeed. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.